Welcome to the fourth part of conflict management. Again, suggest all of you please see through the 3 videos of conflict management before coming to the fourth. In here we'll be discussing about a conflict management questionnaire to help you identify where or which strategy that you model in the model, the whole Thomas Kilmann model, where you fall at. So are you a person who is competing? Are you a person who is an avoider? Are you a person who is compromising? Or are you a person who is willing to accommodate or collaborate? That's what we're going to identify. So I would suggest as we go through the questionnaire, I want you to pause, look at what the questionnaire, identify, solve them on a piece of paper and calculate and see about where you've fallen. There are 15 questions in this questionnaire, and each of the 15, read the questionnaire or the statements, each of the statement carefully, and you decide upon which reaction you want to give it to this questionnaire. Now, there are response keys. The response key says about it that you give awarding as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. That is the marks that you can award to each statement. And each one of the 5 markings that you're going to have a different part. If you're completely, say, about 100% sure about the statement that is being made, it is in line with your personality, then award 5. If it is, say, about 80 to 90% true to your personality, then award 4. If it is 40, 50 or 60, then award 3. Then if it is say about 20 to 30% only, then avoid 2. If it is 0% true or 100% untrue, then avoid 1. So when you give this award, please be careful about that it has to be 5 for 100%, 4 for 80 to 90%, 3 for 40 or 50, 60%, 2 for 20 to 30%, and 1 for 0%. So this is how you award marks. So read each one of them carefully. It is there visible on the slide. Pause, read them carefully, and then award marks. And once you do that, the next part will let you know about how you're going to calculate the answer. Okay, now since you finished the questionnaire, how do you count out the questionnaire? It is visible on your video. It is on the slide. Now count question number 169. Pair as 169 and make it as series A. So question number 1, question number 6, and question number 9 will be series A. Likewise, question number 5, question number 11, and question number 15 will be series B. Question number 3, question number 10 and question number 14 will be series C. Question number 4, question number 8 and question number 13 will be series D. And 2, 7 and 12 question number will be series E. Now add each of the questions, that is 3 questions each, and put them into series A, B, C, D, E. When you do this, you will be able to understand where or what is the maximum number awarded and which field you stay in. Let's continue with this. We are seeing something called as analysis of conflict management. Now, where do you fall? How much is the marks awarded for A, B, C, D or E? Now, once you do this, you'll be able to understand if you are into an avoiding model, or if you are into or an accommodating person, or if you are a collaborating person, if you are a compromising person, or if you are a competing person. So you will understand this and you can preferably work towards which will be the best win-win situation that you can be in. The learning outcome that we have out of this whole thing is that conflict is a healthy sign and it is not a negative process. It reflects the dynamics of a person. It helps people understand what kind of a person you are. Now, poorly managed conflicts and unfavorable conduct productive results are always problematic when it gives you negative attitude and results. We should be able to understand a well-managed conflict will stimulate competition, will identify legitimate differences, and will help people understand and make you a complete or a thorough source of motivation. Learning objectives, continuing about it, how do we define conflict, what are the types of conflict, what are the methods of conflict, assertiveness and cooperativeness, the difference between them, what is the situation that we have, the whole of Thomas Kilmann model, steps to resolve conflict, the 12 ways of preventing conflict, and how we can look at the 12 skills for conflict resolution. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please see the thorough conflict management to see about it. Properly answer the questionnaire. That will help you be a better conflict resolver. Thank you. See you soon for the next one.